Today we're going to be making Easter cookies with M&Ms. First we have to put in 2 soft sticks of butter. What went in? Ready. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Oops. Add 3/4 cup of white sugar. Now mix it at a low speed. Mix it until it's well creamed. Next, add 2 eggs. Plop, plop. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Close your mixer and stir again. Next, add 3 cups of flour. Oh no, oh boy. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it again and very slowly. Next, add 1 cup of chocolate chips. And add 1 cup of M&Ms. Next, we're gonna scoop the dough onto our cookie sheet. Bake at 350 degrees, 8 to 10 minutes, till the top is just barely brown. As soon as they come out of the oven, drop a few M&Ms on each hot cookie. Once they are done, you can put them on a cookie rack so they can finish cooling. Once they've cooled, they're ready to eat.
Well, that's it for M&M Easter cookies. Thanks for watching. The recipe will be in the description below. William, you want to give us a taste test here?
Yeah.
Is it good?